In this video, I'll guide you through how to move and align tables in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a school report, a business proposal, or just trying to make a document look a bit more professional, cleanly aligned tables can make a big difference. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to control where your table sits on the page and how the content inside it is aligned. Let's start with the very first action you need to take, clicking inside the table. Open your document in Google Docs and scroll until you see the table you want to adjust. Then click anywhere inside that table. It can be in any cell, in any row or column. The key is that Google Docs needs to know you're working with the table, and clicking inside it tells the program to focus on that object. You'll usually see a blue outline or a highlighted border around the table, which is your visual cue that it's selected and ready to be edited. Once your cursor is inside the table, look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the alignment options. These alignment controls affect how the text is positioned within the cells of your table. You can align text to the left, center it, or align it to the right. Simply highlight the cells you want to change, or leave your cursor in a single cell, then click the alignment icon you prefer on the toolbar. For example, if you want your headers to be centered, click in the header row, select it, and then choose the center alignment option. You'll see the text immediately shift into place. You can repeat this process for different parts of your table. Maybe you like numbers right aligned and labels left aligned. That's easy to do by selecting each group of cells and choosing the alignment that looks best for your layout. This step doesn't move the table itself around the page, but it does make the content inside the table look neater and more intentional. Next, let's talk about adjusting spacing or indentation if needed. Sometimes, even after you've aligned the text, the table might feel a little cramped or too close to the surrounding paragraphs. To fix this, place your cursor in a cell where the spacing feels off, then use the line spacing and indentation options on the toolbar or in the format menu. Increasing the line spacing makes the text inside each cell easier to read, while adjusting indentation can pull text slightly inward from the left edge, giving it a more polished appearance. You can also adjust the spacing around the table by adding or removing blank lines above and below it. Click just above the table and press Enter to add some space or backspace if you want to bring it closer to the paragraph above. This doesn't change the table's internal structure, but it does change how the table sits on the page, which helps it visually align with your overall document layout. By clicking inside your table, using the alignment options on the toolbar, and fine-tuning spacing or indentation, you gain precise control over how your table looks and how it fits into your document. With these simple steps, your tables in Google Docs will be clearer, more readable, and better aligned with the rest of your content.